Hi children, today we are going to study about the subject and predicate. These are the two important parts of a complete sentence. Which are the two important parts of a complete sentence? Subject and predicate. Now let's see what is subject. Subject is the naming part. It is the naming part. It tells who or what the sentence is about. It tells who or what the sentence is about. Subject is a part of a sentence that talks about a noun. Is the subject. We know that in every sentence we mention something about a person, place, things or animals. Sometimes may noun or pronoun. Whatever we mention, that is the subject. सेंटेंस में जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं उसी चीज को हम सब्जेक्ट बोलते हैं. Have you understood? Now let's see what is predicate. Predicate is the telling part. It is the telling part, telling about the subject. It tells what someone or something is or does. It tells what someone or something is or does. That means whatever we say about the subject, that is the predicate. It gives more details about the subject. It receives the action of the subject. It receives the action of the subject. Have you understood? Now let's look at some example. The sun was shining brightly. We are talking about the sun. So sun is the subject here. किसके बारे में बात करते हैं? The sun. Then giving more details about the subject. Sun के बारे में क्या बताते? Was shining brightly. Was shining brightly. That is the predicate. Second one, the dogs were barking loudly. So we are talking about the dogs. That is a subject here. किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? The dogs. Where barking loudly is the predicate. Dogs के बारे में क्या बताते? Where barking loudly. Then third one, the pretty girl was wearing a blue frock. The pretty girl was wearing a blue frock. We are talking about the pretty girl. किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Pretty girl. So that is the subject here. तो pretty girl के बारे में क्या बताते हैं? Was wearing a blue frock. That is the predicate. Then my younger brother serves in army. My younger brother serves in the army. Talking about my younger brother. Younger brother के बारे में क्या बताते? He serves in the army. That is a predicate. The man and his wife were working in the garden. Who were working in the garden? The man and his wife. We are talking about the man and his wife. That is a subject. इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? The man and his wife. That is a subject. Then subject के बारे में क्या बताते हैं? Were working in the garden. That is the predicate. Giving more details about the subject. That they were working in the garden. Dear students, I hope you all have understood what is subject and predicate. Now let's revise what we have seen. The first video we have seen what is sentence. Do you remember that? Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense or complete meaning. We use sentence when we talk or when we write. Then all the sentence begins with a capital letter and it may end with a full stop, question mark and exclamation mark. Okay. Again we have seen that kinds of sentences. First we have seen the kinds of sentence. Again we saw that parts of. How many parts? 2 parts. How many kinds of a sentence? 4 kinds of a sentence. The second video we have seen the kinds of a sentence. Kinds of sentences. 4 kinds of sentences. What are they? Assertive or declarative sentence. Also it is called statement sentence. Giving some information, idea, opinion, a fact. Okay. Second one is interrogative sentence. That is a question sentence. It ends with question mark. Then third one, imperative sentence. It gives command, request, order, advice, wish. For example, give me some water. That is a command. Please come inside. That is a request. Have a nice day at school. That is a wishes. It is called imperative sentence. Then last one, exclamatory sentence. It expresses a sudden or strong feeling. It expresses a sudden or strong feeling such as at surprise, pity, wonder, joy, sadness. It ends with an exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentence ends with exclamation mark. For example, what a beautiful place this is. Surprise, happiness. Thank you, that is a gratitude. Oh my God, this is the sadness. So all our emotions, feelings, it expresses. In the last, you have seen that subject and a predicate. Subject and predicate. Subject is the naming part and predicate is the telling part. See, सेंटेंस में जिसके बारे में हम बताते हैं उस चीज़ को हम सब्जेक्ट बोलते हैं. Okay, that means subject is a part of a sentence that talks about a noun. Then predicate, telling more about the subject. It receives the action of the subject. Okay, students, I hope you all have understood. Have a nice day. Thank you.